Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 27th of February. The euro stabilised at around 130.59 against the US dollar after a sharp drop following the election results in Italy. It seems Italy will end with a hung parliament without strong government, and which may prove detrimental for the economy, with domino effects on the rest of the eurozone. Euro's nosedive was put to a halt after Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke testified yesterday. Mr. Bernanke supported the view that even though the US economy is growing, asset purchasing still needs to continue. The US dollar seems to have rebalanced against the Japanese yen after a sharp drop. The pair is now trading at 91.70. Gold continues its gains, reaching 1609.73 as investors correct the previous sharp sell-off of the precious metal. And WTI crude rose to 92.76 after falling to a lowest point in 2013. The move comes as crude oil supplies rise for 7 consecutive weeks. Overnight option volatilities for the euro-dollar dropped to 16.50 as investors' fears subside and option premiums of the pair drop. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point at 131.20 with a preference to enter in short positions at 131.20. The dollar-yen pivot point at 92.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 92.75. The Aussie dollar pivot point at 102.65 with a preference to enter in short positions at 102.65. The sterling dollar pivot point at 151.55 with a preference to enter in short positions at 151.45. And the dollar CAD pivot point at 102.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.35. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 94.25. The gold pivot points at 1594 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1594. The silver pivot point at 28.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.70. The US 500 is at 1512 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1512. And the UK 100 is at 6278 with a preference to enter in short positions at 6278. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe at 9 GMT, we have the EU M3 money supply forecast to rise by 3.2%. In the UK at 9:30 GMT, we have the second estimate GDP forecast to decline by 0.3%. And in the US at 13:30 GMT, we have the durable goods orders month on month forecast to rise by 0.3%. And our pair of interest today is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. The US dollar moved higher against a weakening Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar declined as growth expectations for the country are very gloomy. The pair reached for 103.02 before correcting to 102.56. Last firm support was at 100.02 2 weeks ago, while the next strong resistance stands at 104.43. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.